Action!
What a beautiful day.
You smoking, bro? Bad joke about. We got to unbox, bro. Summit.
Racing.
I'm not 100% sure what parts are in this box because in the last few months of quarantine, we've kind of gone a little hog wild with prepping for the summer's worth of Maverick video making. But
Lots of boxes to unbox.
I think this one contains
stuff
and things that we need.
and stuff. Ooh.
One of which is the topic of today's video.
Ordered brake fluid too.
Dude, it's quarantine, bro. Oh, what do we got in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box?
Okay, well, it looks like we got an oil pan gasket.
Oh, one piece variety.
Hopefully.
Yeah, it better be, man.
It says it's got one oil pan gasket and 4 oil pan snap up, which is the little things you screw into the block. Okay, what we got here? We got
Oh, there should be 2 sets of those because I accidentally bought some good ones and some bad ones.
well,
These were more expensive
yeah,
by quite a bit.
I bet. They're reusable.
Nice. These were like the style that came already with the headers that we bought.
Yeah, I'm not digging those.
Yeah. So we got options. Those other ones were only like $10, so if we don't want to use them, it's not the end of the world.
What do we got here?
It's blinker fluid, bro.
Blinker fluid. But not today.
Not today.
Ultra copper.
You wanted that, and I don't know why.
For the headers, bro. What do we got here?
Oh, but that's what I bought the good gasket for.
Oh. Oil filter relocation kit. This is what we're after.
Oh, there it is.
Train can lash caps. Whatever jackwagon did a valve job on this engine last time did not do it correctly. So we had to buy these to compensate for it.
It doesn't seem terribly uncommon to use these. Apparently, supposedly, they can save the tops of your valve stems anyway from like high revving.
Oh, yes.
But not that we're a high revving setup here. But I guess if you're cranking like
7,000
RPM, those are supposedly.
Yeah, we got the pill set at 58, I think, or we got it set at 6. So the idea here is you put these on top of your little valve stems, and it creates more clearance.
Hello, Clarence. So, we need to find our shims, bro.
Shims, where are the shims, bro?
At some point, we had shims during the first valve train.
We were droning on.
I think they're in a little baggie. Maybe in this one right here.
Bit me.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
No, this could take a moment.
Wait,
Stand by.
All right, so we couldn't find the shims, but we're gonna go Maverick on this. We're gonna go full send.
Yes.
We're gonna see what happens. All right, we got this valve cover bolts loose, so we can do some measurements. Set that aside, don't lose it.
Set that aside, don't lose it.
All right, so the idea here, we're gonna adjust the intake one first. So what we need to do, we need to rotate her around until the exhaust valve just starts to move. And what this does is it puts it at the lobe center. Nope. Okay. Back it up just a little bit to confirm. There we go. All right, so that puts it at the lobe center for the intake. We don't need to remove it completely. All we need to do is get one of these fancy lash caps onto the valve stem. So when I originally adjusted the valve lash on this engine, I wanted to go a little loose on it just to see how it would run, because we didn't want to push it, because this cam is close to being about as big as you can get in this configuration of head and block and piston. So instead of running it at 0 or little lash, we're going to go with shooting for at least a half turn. Let's see what happens. All right, hold on to your butts. Oh, look at that. It's about a half turnish, a little under. Yep, perfect. Let's get that torque wrench handy.
30 pounds.
30 foot-pounds. All right, now, to do the exhaust valve, which is next on this same cylinder, we have to watch the intake valve. It has to open completely and then close more than halfway. And starting to open all the way. I don't feel no piston hitting it. That's about right.
That means this is all the way on the other side of the cam or whatever.
That means this is on the load center. It's pretty good. Yes! Yes! Yeah, the ends of these valve stems, if you look at them,
They've been machined or something.
No, that's the lack of machining.
Yeah, they look a little gnarled.
Leather. We may need a 30 thousandths on this one. Nope. Damn. Yeah, the reason I'm shooting for a half turn is I know that I'm going to get another quarter turn when I'm torquing it down. So 3/4 of a turn is what we're shooting for. Stay tuned. You never know what's going to happen next. Maybe you do.
Side 2.
Game on.
We're just plugging away here at the... Every cylinder's got different tolerances, engine.
Oh, crap. Some of these are requiring some oddball size shims.
Yes.
We're going to have to do some fancy sourcing. But there will be no more clatter. Smooth. Nice. That's what we like. Okay. Move ahead. Action!
Action!
I think we're about to get rained on, bro.
Action, Jackson! Yeah, we gotta... Alright, so we're gonna button this up because it's gonna rain.
It's gonna rain!
And we got stuff everywhere. The sky was angry that day.
All of a sudden.
All of a sudden. Alright, so Joe gave his blessing on all the valves now.
It's gonna be running good.
She happy. Going in the Maverick. Well, once we get the T5 done. So that's what's happens. That's what's happens. That's a wrap. That's a wrap.